Build-A-Bird Tim here. Every year at the start of spring, I build myself a new nest. And I just love to sing while I work. Chip, chip, ooh, ooh. Every year at the start of spring, it's time for building work to begin. I celebrate with a song and work and sing the whole day long. Tra-la-la, tra-la-lee, I sing along so happily. Tra-la-la, tra-la-lee, sing the building song with me. Oh, it's my buddies, Stevie and Casey Canary. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hey, do you like my brand new nest?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, great job, Build-A-Bird Tim. Chip, chip, chip.
Oh, so much room for playing and for singing.
Well, it's not quite finished yet.
Oh.
Hey, would you like to sing along with me while I work?
Yeah, well, I'll sing first, and then you can sing, and then Casey Bird. A chip, chip, chip.
Well, I was thinking that we could sing together.
You mean at the same time?
Yeah, it's called singing in unison. Come on.
Okay, but how?
Okay, well,
Chip, 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 chip.
Stevie Bird, you sing with your low voice.
Okay.
Okay, and
Chip, 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 chip.
Casey Canary, you sing with your high voice.
Okay.
And
Chip, 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 chip.
I'll sing in the middle. And then we'll also be singing in harmony.
Okay.
Okay, are we ready to sing together?
Yeah!
Here we go. Every year at the start of spring, it's time for building work to begin. I celebrate with the song and work and sing the whole day long. Tra-la-la, tra-la-lee, sing along so happily. Tra-la-la, tra-la-lee, sing the building song with me. Oh, great singing, Canaries.
Oh, it's so much fun when we sing together.
Yeah, and it sounds so great when we all sing at the same time.
Hey, should we sing again?
Yeah!
Okay, now Casey, you sing.
Up high.
And Stevie, you sing.
Down low.
I'll sing in the middle.
And
we
we'll
all sing at the same time in harmony.
Yeah!
Every year at the start of spring, it's time for building work to begin. I celebrate with the song and work and sing the whole day long. Tra-la-la, tra-la-lee, sing along so happily. Tra-la-la, tra-la-lee, sing the building song with me. Oh, great singing, guys. And it looks like my nest is finished too.
So cozy and warm.
Oh, I think we might have a snooze in unison as well.
Chip, chip, chip.